Prepositions. To suffer from. She suffers from a cold. To recover from. He is recovering from surgery. To abstain from. Kamala Harris abstained from the voting. To prevent from. The law prevents him from driving. To derive from. Many words derive from Latin. To deal with. I have to deal with this issue. Compatible with. The software is compatible with Windows. Short of. We are short of time. Consist of. The team consists of 5 players. Spend on. I spent a lot on my new phone. Dependent on. He is dependent on his parents for support. Worrying about. Don't worry about the test. Talk about. We talked about our plans. To succeed in. She succeeded in her exam. To involve in. He is involved in the project. Tend to. I tend to be a bit shy. Addicted to. She is addicted to coffee. Blame for. She blamed him for the mistake. Ready for. I'm ready for the meeting. Count on. You can count on me. Focus on. Please focus on your studies. Wait for. We are waiting for the bus. Vote for. I will vote for her in the election. Indifferent to. He is indifferent to the news. Contribute to. I want to contribute to the charity. Persist in. She persists in asking questions. To relax in. I usually relax in the evening. Aware of. I'm aware of the deadline. Accuse of. He was accused of cheating. To care about. She really cares about her parents. To feel about. He feels strongly about environmental issues. To belong to. This book belongs to me. To refer to. The article refers to the recent political scandal. To share with. I will share my pizza with you. To help with. I need someone to help with my homework. To confess to. I must confess to a real love for her. To explain to. Our manager explained to the team the new project plan. To dream of. She dreams of one day becoming a doctor. To hear of. Have you ever heard of the Angkor Wat? Smile at. He smiled at the beautiful sunset. To glance at. I glanced at her while she was taking a walk. To decide on. We need to decide on a date for the meeting. To impress on. The coach impressed on the team that discipline was key to winning. To rely on. I rely on my alarm clock to wake me up in the morning.